Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Shit from miles away. Listen to the things you say. Listen on my ways like it when shit from miles away. Listen to the things you say. Listen on my ways like it when listen, part of building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart.
Just say you will, come through and chill.
Leaving, you're just doing that to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You're falling apart. Shit from miles away. Listen to the things you say. Listen on my ways like it when shit from miles away. Listen to the things you say. Listen on my ways like it when listen, part of building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out.
At first this threw me off because I opened this and it's like all glitter like everywhere, and I'm like, wait, did all my glitter come loose? But no, the box itself comes with just like loose glitter in it, like weird, like it's loose glitter. I'm afraid to open this now.
There's glitter everywhere. Shit, put that on my body, man. Like, when you use that much glitter, I don't know. Oh, that's beautiful. I am really not a human. I am superior human. Show off the minute.
So now that's out the way. It comes with this little tiny, you can't even see it because it's dark, Sephora glue. And I'm going to be using the pink color. It does come with silver and gold, so I'm using the pink one, which I hope is not the one that spilled everywhere, but again, like, this box comes with glitter, like, and I'm pretty sure my cat's gonna be covered in glitter now. Fuck. I'm gonna be using this wet little brush right here to apply the adhesive. So this is what it looks like in the brush, and then I'll go ahead and let me get my mirror so I can see what I'm doing.
I'm gonna have glitter on my eyeballs. I'm gonna have glitter on my eyeballs.
So I went ahead and put on that glitter for the adhesives, and I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to have to clean this brush again, but ink, get away from the fucking glitter, dude. You're going to be the first motherfucker.
I don't get it on my face. That's a good sign. And then take the brush. Just gonna pat it in, I guess. Did it work?
Oh, it did.
Wow.
Holy shit. I look like a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch. You can't kill me.
Like, ah! Shine bright, don't be shy, be a star. Where you is, where you are. Be a star.
There you got it. That was the glitter. The part I was most excited about. Now let's finish this look. You know, I got some under eye smudging for my eyeliner. Again, new pair of lashes. Gotta try these on, but I might just put on another pair because I don't want to open these yet because I don't know. And then I'm gonna put some eyeliner on, suck my cheeks in, all that shit. So this is the Fenty Beauty Espresso. I use a mixture of what is it? Bare Mineral Pro for the front part of my face, and for the side part of my face, since I got a couple colors of my fucking face, I used Truffle by Fenty Beauty on the sides, outer side of my face and my neck, because I feel like I'm a couple of different colors. You still see like discoloration in my neck and stuff, but I did use a little bit of foundation just so it, you know, I try to match it. I might put a little bit more, because that happens a lot with black people. You just don't be, you just be discombobulated. But as you see, this is my way of just matching everything. I was trying to talk and I just look kind of weird. I did put powder, the Fit Me by Maybelline powder underneath my eyes, so it's gonna freaking like set my face and catch any falling particles. Used I gotta clean this brush. I'm just gonna use this brush to wipe that shit away. When I go out, when I'm natural, I don't put any powder over my contour, but when I'm flossing, I put Morphe Glass Bottom Colors. I just dip it like that on both of them, and this basically has been my contour brush by Morphe for a while, and it's a really good contour brush because it smooths out everything and snatches it. That's all I need. See? But just like that, bada bing, that's a boom. And my face is snatched, you know? This one is a little wider. I don't sweat the small stuff. I just dab a little bit of whatever's left on my hand, and I just go like that. Okay, I ignored the harshness up here because I put my highlight on there. So speaking of highlight, this also is a highlight brush I just got from e.l.f. Really inexpensive brush. I do have a highlight color by Fenty as well. It's called Cinnamon, but it's spelled with the S. And that's my highlight color for her. But I put two highlighters on because I'm addicted to the highlight look, I guess. So I'm put her highlight there. And then I put right on my nose. Yes, busy. And I don't want my purple to go up too high, but as you see, like that's all I really needed. One moment, I'm gonna put my lashes on. I don't think I need to see that right now, but if you need a lash tutorial, let me know. But I'm about to do this off camera because that shit had a hard. One moment.
fine, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god. That's my baby, Caroline, you divine, mighty fine. Shorty really blow the pipe, like a pro. Holy shit, I'm really lit. It's looking like it's about time to fuck it up. Caroline, listen up, don't wanna